Hello guys, good day sa ating lahat. Ako ngayon ay magawa ng sabaw guys. Ang aking lulutuin for today's video guys ay sinigang na isda guys for lunch. Masarap pag may sabaw guys, kaya binilisan kong magluto guys para sa aming pananghalian. Ayan, luto na guys at dahan-dahan kong hinang kasi mainit guys. Kaya ayan, maingat talaga ako dyan kasi baka ako ay mapasok sa sobrang init guys. So, ready na for lunch guys. Kain na po tayo. And that's all for today. See you in my next video guys. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget guys to like, comment, follow, and share. Bye and God bless.